Question number 146. Select the correct match. And the very first option given is kwashiorkor, and the match is patient is advised to specially consume more meat, lentils, milk and eggs in diet. And this is a correct match and is a correct answer to our question. Because kwashiorkor results from the deficiency of protein only in children above 1 year of age. So basically this is observed in children in the age group of 1 to 5 years. The next option given is marasmus, and the match given is usually observed in children in the age group of 1 to 5 years. And this is an incorrect match because marasmus, which is a protein and energy malnutrition disease, is usually observed in infants below the age of 1 year. So this is an incorrect match. The next option given is scurvy, and the match given is prevalent in sub-Saharan Africa where staple diet is polished rice that is rich in ascorbic acid. What is ascorbic acid? Ascorbic acid is vitamin C. And we know that this is an incorrect match because scurvy is due to deficiency of vitamin C. So this is an incorrect match. The next option given is anemia, and the match given is deficiency of riboflavin and thiamine. And this is an incorrect match because anemia is not caused due to the deficiency of riboflavin or thiamine. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 147. Choose the odd one with respect to locations of source cells for hormones. And the very first option given is gastrin, and gastrin is secreted from the G cells in stomach. On the other hand, the other three options, that is enterogestrone, secretin and diocrenin, which are hormones released by the cells of small intestine. So the odd one among all these given options is option number 1, gastrin, which is secreted from the G cells in stomach, whereas the other three options, the location of source cells, are intestine. So these are the incorrect options. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 148. Consumption of which of the following yields gross calorific value of nearly 0 in a human? And the very first option given is lettuce, and this is a correct answer to our question. Because lettuce, which is rich in cellulose, cannot be digested by humans. So this is a correct answer to our question because the gross calorific value will be nearly 0 for lettuce. The other options are egg white and meat, and these two are incorrect options because egg white and meat are proteinaceous in nature, and the gross calorific value for these two items is around 5.65 kilocalorie per gram. While for bread, which is a carbohydrate source, it would be 4.1 kilocalorie per gram. So this cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 149. How many of the statements given below is or are false? And the very first option given is leptin, a product of adipose tissue, signals the satiety center in hypothalamus to suppress appetite. And this is a true statement because this leptin, which is produced by adipose tissues, signals the satiety center in hypothalamus to suppress appetite. And it's a true statement. The next statement is achlorhydria in humans would result in increased salivation and improved iron absorption. And this is a false statement because it is the deficiency of HCl in human body, which is known as achlorhydria. And this deficiency of HCl will affect or achlorhydria will affect iron absorption, because the efficiency of HCl will decrease iron absorption rather than improving it. So this is an incorrect statement or a false statement. The next statement given is renin is an enzyme belonging to lyase category that helps in digestion of milk proteins in infants. And this is also a false statement because renin is an enzyme, this is correct, but it doesn't belong to the category of lyase. On the other hand, this renin is a hydrolytic enzyme which belongs to hydrolase category rather than lyase category. So this is a false statement. The last statement given is activity of Brunner's glands is enhanced upon sympathetic stimulation, and this is also an incorrect statement or a false statement because the activity of Brunner glands is enhanced upon parasympathetic stimulation rather than sympathetic stimulation. So out of the given statements, 3 statements are false. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Now let's discuss our next question. Question number 150. Increased solubility of lipids in intestine and lumen is due to formation of, and the correct answer is option number 1, that is micelles. It is the formation of these micelles which are formed by the aggregation of bile salts, but no bile pigment. So the last option, bile pigment, is an incorrect option. It involves the aggregation of bile salts in enteric lumen to promote fat absorption by emulsification. Next option given is chylomicrons, and this is an incorrect option because chylomicrons are found within enterocytes and not in intestinal lumen. And the third option given is chyle. Chyle is a milky bodily fluid which is formed in small intestine during digestion of fatty food. So it's an incorrect option. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question.